The Secret to Manifesting Your Dreams, an introduction to the law of attraction. Do you have dreams that seem impossible to achieve? Are you looking for a way to make them come true? If so, then the law of attraction just might be your answer. In this video, we'll introduce you to this powerful concept and provide tips on how to use it to manifest your dreams. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a powerful tool that has been used for centuries to help manifest one's dreams. It works on the principle that your thoughts and feelings create a frequency that will attract what you want into your life. This means that if you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, then the universe will respond by sending you the things, experiences, and people that align with those vibes. While manifesting your dreams may take time and effort, it's important to keep in mind that the law of attraction works no matter what. By learning how to work with the law, you can begin to manifest more abundance, love, success, and joy in your life. How does the law of attraction work? The law of attraction works by focusing your energy in positive ways, which brings positive changes to your life. To manifest your dreams, you must begin by setting an intention and visualizing what you want to achieve. You can then use affirmations to help you stay focused on your goals. Once you have set this intention, you must recognize and accept the abundance that is available to you. Gratitude and appreciation will help you attract more of what you desire into your life. Additionally, it is important to identify any blocks that may be preventing you from receiving abundance, and work on releasing them. Taking action to reach your goals is also essential. Finally, it is important to measure your progress and celebrate each success along the way. With a consistent practice of the law of attraction, you can create the life of your dreams. Creating an intention for manifesting your dreams. Creating an intention is an essential step in manifesting your dreams. It is important to be mindful of what you want to manifest and to focus on the positive aspects of it. After all, the law of attraction states that if you focus on something, it will be attracted to you. When creating an intention, it is important to be clear and specific. Make a list of your goals and dreams that you want to manifest, and take time to really focus on each one. Visualize yourself achieving them and feel the emotions associated with success. Writing down your intentions can also help to clarify your thoughts and focus your energy towards manifesting. Lastly, make sure to stay open-minded and trust that the universe has a plan for you. Visualization and affirmations. Visualization and affirmations are powerful tools when it comes to manifesting your dreams. Visualizing your desired outcome is a key step in the law of attraction process. To make the vision clearer, you can write down your intention and focus on it often. Affirmations can help reinforce your intention and bring it into fruition. By repeating positive statements that reflect your intentions, you create an energetic vibration that attracts what you desire. Creating a positive attitude towards yourself and your goals will further empower you to manifest your dreams. When combined with the techniques discussed above, visualization and affirmations can help you create a life of abundance and joy. Recognizing and accepting abundance in your life. Recognizing and accepting abundance in your life is an important step on the journey towards manifesting your dreams. It is essential to keep an open mind and remain positive as you work to manifest wealth, health, love, happiness and abundance. Remaining mindful of all the blessings already in your life will help you to stay focused on your goals, while also allowing you to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. Visualizing yourself surrounded by abundance will also help you to recognize and accept more abundance in your life. Additionally, it is important to take action towards attaining your goals, as this will help create an environment for success. Finally, it is key to measure your progress and celebrate successes along the way, which will serve as a reminder of all that you have achieved thus far. Focusing on gratitude and appreciation. Focusing on gratitude and appreciation can be an effective tool when working with the law of attraction. Appreciating the blessings in your life and expressing gratitude for them helps to align you with the energy of abundance. By taking time to recognize and appreciate all of the good in your life, you are able to raise your vibration and attract more positivity into your experience. Additionally, expressing gratitude helps to clear any blocks that may be preventing you from achieving your dreams. Practicing gratitude on a regular basis is an important part of manifesting success in any area of life. Releasing blocks to receiving abundance. Releasing blocks to receiving abundance is an important step in manifesting your dreams. It involves recognizing and letting go of any limiting beliefs or negative emotions that are preventing you from achieving the wealth and abundance you desire. This can be done through a variety of techniques, such as meditation, journaling, and self-reflection. Once these blocks have been identified and released, it becomes easier to focus on creating an intention to manifest your dreams, and using affirmations to create positive thoughts about abundance. By taking the time to release these blocks, you open yourself up to the flow of abundance and all the wonderful things it has to offer. Taking action toward attaining your goals. Taking action is essential to manifesting your dreams and desires using the law of attraction. Once you have set your intention, visualize what you want and affirm that it is possible, it's time to take action. Taking action means doing something each day that moves you toward your goal, whether it's making a phone call, attending a workshop, reading a book, or journaling. The key is to focus on the process and not the outcome. Focus on taking inspired action and trust that the results will follow. Recognizing abundance in your life, focusing on gratitude and appreciation, and releasing any blocks to receiving abundance are all important steps in taking action towards manifesting your goals. By following these steps and creating a 40-day plan for manifesting your dream life, you can be sure you're taking consistent actions towards achieving your goals. Measuring your progress and celebrating success. Measuring your progress and celebrating success are important steps in manifesting your dreams. This is the time to review your goals and intentions, see how far you have come, and appreciate all of the positive changes in your life. Keeping track of your progress can help you stay motivated and on track towards achieving your goals. Celebrating successes helps reinforce the positive energy that will keep you going even when things seem difficult. This is also a great way to recognize how much you have achieved throughout your journey and be proud of yourself for all the hard work you have put into manifesting your dreams. Stay positive and believe in yourself.